Wheatstone Bridge, an electrical circuit used to measure an unknown electrical resistance. Unknown resistance is placed in one leg of the bridge. Unknown resistance is measured by balancing two legs of a bridge circuit. Wheatstone Bridge accurately measures the unknown resistance. The figure shows a Wheatstone bridge with a power supply connected between points A and C, a galvanometer VG, connected between points B and D. Galvanometer is an instrument that measures current. Two fixed known resistors R1 and R3, connected between points A, D and A, B respectively, an adjustable known resistance R2, connected between points D and C, and an unknown resistance R4, connected between points B and C. R4 is the resistance to be measured. Until the bridge is balanced, that is zero current flows through the galvanometer VG, the resistance R2 is adjusted. Since no current flows through the galvanometer, the potential difference between the points B and D will be zero, so the currents through R1 and R2 are equal. Also the currents through R3 and R4 are equal. The figure shows a balanced Wheatstone bridge, where the current Ig through the galvanometer is zero, the voltage across the galvanometer is zero, that is, VB equals VD, or VBD equals zero. Also the current through the resistor R1, that is, I1 is equal to the current through the resistor R2, that is, I2, and the current through the resistor R3, that is, I3 is equal to the current through the resistor R4, that is, I4. Under balanced bridge condition, both the voltage and the current between the 2 points B and D are zero, that is, VBD, equal to 0 volts, and Ig, equal to 0 amperes, so, the currents, I1, equal to I2, and I3, equal to I4, and the voltages VB, equal to VD, VA, B, equal to VA, minus VB, equal to I3 multiplied by R3, VA, D, equal to VA, minus VD, equal to I1 multiplied by R1, since VB, equal to VD, VA, B, equal to VA, D or I3 multiplied by R3, equal to I1 multiplied by R1, this is equation 1, VBC, equal to VB minus VC, equal to I4 multiplied by R4, VDC, equal to VD minus VC, equal to I2 multiplied by R2, since VB, equal to VD, VBC, equal to VDC or I4 multiplied by R4, equal to I2 multiplied by R2, this is equation 2, dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we get I4 multiplied by R4, divided by I3 multiplied by R3, equal to I2 multiplied by R2, divided by I1 multiplied by R1, or R4, equal to I2 multiplied by R2 into I3 multiplied by R3, divided by I1 multiplied by R1 into I4, or R4, equal to R2 into R3 divided by R1.